Now, you know what time it is when I pull out this chalkboard. Dating tips and tricks, how to showcase your personality. But in reality, y'all, these dating profiles have gotten worse and worse. And I truly feel that there's no redeeming them, but let's at least look at them and laugh. Despite whatever state or city they list, where they really live is Delulu land. Let's look at some of these profiles. This is Mike. He typed that he was 28. The only thing in his profile is that he says he is laid back and loving loaf. Look how he spelled laid. Let me show y'all what this supposed 28-year-old looks like. This is 28. In what world, I guess is the Lululand, is this what a 28-year-old looks like? He is 5'7", doesn't have kids, and he has a high school diploma. Okay, that explains it. He might have an issue with numbers, and clearly he has an issue with spelling. More pictures of a 28-year-old Mike who is loving loaf. You guys, this is very short and to the point, so I'm not going to belabor the point that I don't think that he's 28. I think that his numbers got a little mixed up or something, but y'all can weigh in on that. So this man, be good for you 86, messaged someone on a dating app and he says, "Hey, how you doing? This is not a spam, just being bold. I saw your profile and I want to get to know you. I'm a freaky person and I love eating um, peaches. I'm not crazy or trying to be disrespectful, but I want to hang out sometime and lick your." Okay, yes. He says, "I am a peach pleaser. Are you down for me to please you?" Right back. He just came out the gate, just put it on the table. Bam. Just in your face. In what world does this work? Look at how he's looking up at this picture. This is wild. These people are wild, and they are, like I said, delusional. Whatever state they reside in, where they really reside in is the Lululand, because there is no way that this works. What? Okay, that was all that I had for this one, just this screenshot. But I just wanted to show y'all how delusional some of these people are. This picture is terrible. The conversation is terrible. I do not know what is wrong with these people. Now we meet Caleb, who's 30, and he's holding his dog. Okay, Caleb, 30. Trigger warning. Let me guess. You're 25 with 3 kids, and you've done had your fun. Now you don't want that. You want a real man to settle down with and take care of you and your kids because you let a loser nut inside of you. Okay. I'm 6 foot even. I have my own house, 2 vehicles, and I make over $75,000 a year. What do you bring to the table? If the answer is someone else's kids, then go kick rocks. No man will ever want you. Stop saying you're thick. You're obese. Also, you're not a dog mom. You're a pet owner. Okay, so here's Caleb. And I don't understand why these people have to come out of the gate being antagonistic, being mean spirited, and having these red pill manosphere talking points. Does this work? I truly don't understand why these people are so antagonistic towards the people that they don't want versus just speaking on who they are or what they're looking for. It's just maddening to me. And I am trying to figure out who this works with. So if you guys could chime in and let me know with this type of behavior and this type of profile, just say, yes, let me match with them. And he is also struggling with using the word your. They struggle so hard. And I don't know why men like this make their height part of their personality. Being 6 feet tall is not a personality trait. And they also bring in their money. And then in the next breath, if you do go on a date with them, talk about how women just want them for their money, their whole $75,000 a year. Just mean spirited for no good reason. Okay, so this is Caleb, who's 30, and I think that he should leave his menospheric red pillar talking points right there so that people can swipe past this man. Okay, now we have Brian, who's 35. He says, if you're accustomed to dealing with reek men's scrubs, I'm not going to be the man for you. If you are insecure, still trying to heal from your last relationship, I'm not the guy. Laugh emojis. I'm looking for a strong woman. Matter of fact, I need me a wife. Just move. So I do not speak this language that he's talking about, but I'm sure that this was not particularly nice. This does not seem particularly inviting, no matter the language that you do speak. He did type some words, and he seems to be poking fun on people, that women who have had a bad relationship. I am not sure that that is what will grab somebody else's attention to be like, yes. And then look at his facial expression. He's at a place that looks like it should be a happy moment because there's a balloon. He's wearing this suit coat with these accessories. I don't know why he's looking like this. He just looks dead on the inside. He says he's looking for a wife and a strong woman. Cool. He's 5'11. He works at Get Money, and he has kids. So he has kids, and yeah. Is this what you want? Is this what you're looking for? 35-year-old, has kids, works at Get Money. Another picture just looking forlorn and sad. Okay, so this is going to be interesting because this is Todd, who's 40, and he was going back and forth with a woman in her DMs, and the conversation is posted. He says, Happy New Year. Wishing you a productive and joyful 2024. What's good? Happy New Year. May this year bring you abundant joy, success, and fulfillment. As we step into the promising dawn of 2024, let's kickstart the year with a burst of motivation. Join me in our first Monday motivation of the year and get ready to conquer new heights. Starting off good, right? Monday motivation, productive year ahead. So here's what he looks like, Todd, who's 40. If his bio really reflected who he was, he seems like a positive dude. He could take a better picture, look into the camera, take off his sunglasses, look more approachable. So he could stand to fix his profile a little bit. Where he goes wrong is in his conversation, because that's when his real personality comes. Okay, so in the DMs, he had asked this woman how many kids she has, and she says she has two. She's like, yes, like more than one. I only have two, but yeah, that's more than one. He's like, okay, so what's the story with you? What you on here looking for besides me? So he's a little egotistical already. She says, not much to tell, 24, 25 next month. I work, have two kids from Brooklyn, associates in psych, 4'11. I listen to audiobooks on my free time. I do a lot of moving around. And he says, okay, so how you going to make me better? I'm on a mission. So he is in here mining for resources. She says, what kind of mission? He says, LOL, I have a last name to build. My business is the other. Who can fill that position? Who knows? She says, elaborate on build the position, because to me, the key is to bettering oneself is starting with the mental, keeping tabs on mental health since it's so disregarded in the Black community. Then I focus on bodily health. I'm working on myself from the inside, from the outside. He's like, I'm keeping tabs on these email checks. See, the position might be too difficult for you. Keep in mind, she's playing with him. She says, I'm still needing you to elaborate on the position you need filled, because as a 25-year-old with two children, I like to know what position you deem me a candidate for. He's like, a woman that can follow. I'm an entrepreneur, so I need help with my business. Be one. I'm first. Seal deals and live like a boss. She says, okay, you're an entrepreneur, so you need help with your business, which would be a business partner, correct? It's like, no, my wife don't need a partner. Like, no, my wife don't need no partner. I'm a leader. I need someone who mastered follow. Like, no, my wife don't need no partner. I'm a leader. I need someone who mastered following. So basically, after all of that kind of a nice profile, he goes right back to these manospheric talking points where they just require submission. And that's basically that. I was tickled by this exchange. Hopefully, you were too. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.